$1,400 per day using Google News. Free. Make Money Online 2023. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you an exciting opportunity to make big money online without any prior experience or using affiliate marketing. Yes, you heard that right. You can earn up to $1,400 just by copying and pasting some text. But wait, there's more. I'll also reveal 2 other websites where you can double up your earnings, and an amazing tool that can help you to complete the whole process in less than 5 minutes. So, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the world of making money online. Google News is a website that provides news on a wide range of topics. To get started with Google News, you need to go to the official website, news.google.com. Once you're on the website, you'll see a list of news articles from various sources. You can see the latest news articles by scrolling down the page. The articles are categorized by topics such as world, US, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. You can click on any of these topics to see the latest news articles related to that topic. You can also customize your news feed by selecting the topics that interest you. To do this, click on the Personalize button at the top of the page. You'll be taken to a page where you can select the topics that interest you. Once you've selected your topics, click on the Save button. In addition to news articles, Google News also provides videos and images related to the news. You can view these by clicking on the Videos or Images tab at the top of the page. If you want to read news articles from a specific source, you can search for that source by clicking on the Search button at the top of the page. Type in the name of the source you want to search for, and Google News will show you all the news articles from that source. Overall, Google News is a great website for staying up to date on the latest news from around the world. With its wide range of topics, customizable newsfeed, and easy-to-use interface, it's a great resource for anyone who wants to stay informed. After heading to the Google News homepage, you'll see a list of news categories. To focus on the good stuff such as business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health, click on one of these categories that you're interested in. For example, if you're interested in health, click on the Health category. Once you're on the Health category page, you'll see various articles about health and fitness. To find an article to work on, scroll down the page and look for an article that catches your eye. Click on the article to open it. When you open the article, you'll see the headline at the top of the page, followed by the author's name, the date the article was published, and the source of the article. Below this information, you'll see the body of the article. To work on the article, you'll need to read it carefully and take notes on the key points. As you read, try to identify the main idea of the article and any supporting details. Look for any statistics, quotes, or examples that the author uses to support their argument. Once you've read the article and taken notes, you can start working on it. To do this, you'll need to summarize the article in your own words. Start by writing a brief summary of the main idea of the article. Then, go through your notes and write a few sentences about each of the supporting details. When summarizing the article, be sure to use your own words and avoid copying directly from the article. If you do use a quote from the article, be sure to put it in quotation marks and cite the source. As you work on the article, you may also want to think about how it relates to other articles you've read on the same topic. Are there any similarities or differences between the articles? What new information did you learn from this article? Overall, finding an article to work on in Google News is a great way to stay informed about the latest news and trends in your area of interest. By reading and summarizing articles, you can deepen your understanding of the topic and develop your writing skills. Spinbot. To create unique content, you can use Spinbot, a website that rewrites articles in your own words. To get started, select the entire article you want to rewrite and copy it. Then head over to spinbot.com and paste the article into the website. Spinbot will rewrite the article, creating a completely new piece of content with the same topic as the original article. This way you can avoid any plagiarism issues and have a brand new article to work with. Once you have the new article, save it, because you can sell it to websites that are willing to pay for your words. These websites will pay you $1 for every word you write, and some even pay up to $2 per word. To sell your article, you can look for websites that are looking for content in your area of interest. You can also reach out to companies or individuals who might be interested in your writing. When selling your article, be sure to highlight the key points and benefits of your writing. Explain why your article is unique and valuable, and how it can help the reader. Using Spinbot to rewrite articles and selling them for profit is a great way to make money from your writing skills. By creating unique content, you can stand out from the crowd and attract clients who are willing to pay for your words. If you're a writer looking to make some money, there are several websites that pay for articles. One such website is Eatwell.com, which pays up to $1 per word for articles related to food and health. To submit an article, you'll need to send a query through their submission form. This form will ask your contact information, a brief summary of your article, and a few writing samples. If they're interested, they'll provide you with an email address to send your article to. When submitting your article, be sure to follow their guidelines and proofread your work carefully. Eatwell.com has a high standard of quality, so your article should be well-researched and well-written. If your article is accepted, you'll receive payment within a few weeks. Writing for Eatwell.com can be a great way to earn money while sharing your knowledge and passion for food and health. Another website worth checking out is PopularScience.com. They accept article submissions through queries and have a faster submission process than Eatwell.com. PopularScience.com focuses on technology-related topics. So if you're interested in writing about the latest gadgets and scientific discoveries, this could be a great fit for you. To submit an article to PopularScience.com, you'll need to submit a query through their submission form. When submitting your article, be sure to follow their guidelines and proofread your work carefully. PopularScience.com has a high standard of quality, so your article should be well-researched and well-written. If your article is accepted, you'll receive payment within a few weeks. Writing for PopularScience.com can be a great way to earn money while sharing your knowledge and passion for technology. They are always looking for new and innovative ideas, so don't be afraid to pitch something outside the box. Whether you're writing about the latest smartphone or the newest scientific discovery, PopularScience.com is a great platform for getting your work seen by a wide audience. So, if you're a tech enthusiast looking to make some extra cash, be sure to check out PopularScience.com. With their fast submission process and high standards of quality, it's a great opportunity to turn your passion into a career. Finally, AARP.org is another website that pays up to $2 per word for articles on a wide range of topics, including health, fitness, travel, personal essays, relationships, and more. If you're an experienced writer and have a passion for any of these topics, this could be a great opportunity for you. To submit an article to AARP.org, all you need to do is visit their website and learn more about their submission process. They have specific guidelines for each type of article, so be sure to read them carefully before submitting your work. Once you've written your article, you can submit it through their online submission form. AARP.org has a high standard of quality, so your article should be well-researched and well-written. If your article is accepted, you'll receive payment within a few weeks. Writing for AARP.org can be a great way to earn money while sharing your knowledge and passion for a variety of topics. So if you're an experienced writer looking to make some extra cash, be sure to check out AARP.org. With their high pay rates and broad range of topics, it's a great opportunity to turn your passion into a career. Whether you're writing about health, fitness, travel, or personal essays, AARP.org is a great platform for getting your work seen by a wide audience. AARP.org pays up to $2 per word for articles on a wide range of topics, including health, fitness, travel, personal essays, relationships, and more. It's a great opportunity for experienced writers to turn their passion into a career. When submitting articles to these websites, it's important to follow their guidelines and submit high-quality content. Be sure to proofread your work and tailor your writing to the website's audience. If you're able to consistently produce high-quality content, you could build a steady stream of income from writing for these websites. Now that you know about these 3 websites that pay for articles, it's time to start submitting your work. Remember to follow their guidelines and produce high-quality content that will resonate with their audience. With persistence and hard work, you can turn your writing skills into a lucrative career. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more writing tips and advice. We're dedicated to helping writers succeed, and we have plenty of resources to help you improve your craft and build your career. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned!